Big shout out to the Sheet Metal Samurai.
Today we're going to replace this tire with this pipe. So I have to make up some sort of a spoke/rim system. Long story short, they don't make this tire anymore and the tubes keep popping. So the customer wants pipe and it's just for the hayfield anyway. So this rim is going to go inside this pipe, and now I have to make some spokes for it. So I'm going to measure the diameter of this pipe and then measure the circumference of the rim, divide that by pi to get this diameter, and make my spokes by drawing a circle within that circle. 2 circles, one inside the other. Divide that by 6. Add a little more metal to the spokes. Now I'm going to trace this with my plasma cutter. Well, unfortunately I nuked my electrode, so now I have to freehand this with my acetylene. Pretty rough, but we're going to see how it fits. Now I'm going to clean this one up so I can use it as a guide to trace the other ones. Not the prettiest, but they'll do. So I marked 3 inches on either side. I'm going to weld that inside seam, and then I'm going to tack these plates in. I put that tack right in the way. Now that this gap is consistent all the way around and that rim is flush, I can weld it up. Better make sure that rim spins. I think that'll be all right. That's it for this one. I'll see you on the next.